I'm on a quest to track down every Hot Wheels Racerverse car that is not Star Wars. And I don't also know if I'm going to pick up all the dinosaurs, but I have a lot of the dinosaurs already, so I probably will. Anyways, today we're going to open up all of the single packs that I currently have. So let's get started. This is the Tyrannosaurus Rex from Jurassic World, I think, or Jurassic Park. I don't know how it's branded. Jurassic World. I don't have this one. I believe I have the other three. So I probably will try to pick that one up. Anyways, let's get this going. Get this thing out of the package. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. Kind of expensive there, but that's okay. This one's cool. It's a T-Rex. I mean, there's not a lot to say about this one because it's a T-Rex and it's awesome, right? So there's that one. I also have a Triceratops somewhere. I might as well... we'll see it later. Next up, Captain Marvel. I don't know a lot about Captain Marvel. Superhero in the Marvel universe, obviously. I somewhere lost track of all of the Marvel movies. I mean, there's just so many. I made it through the first few, like 2 Avengers. When Doctor Strange came out, that's when it started to lose me. Not because I hate Doctor Strange, just because it was just getting so vast. Like, there were so many movies and stuff. So, I started off with Iron Man in like 2008 or 2009, because I was young then, and it was a really cool movie. And then it like launched into the universe, and I followed along, and it was really great. And I loved Guardians of the Galaxy, which is the next one I'm going to show you. Rocket Raccoon. I can't remember the name of the ship, but that's what he's in. He's in the ship, whatever it is. I can't think of what it's called. Let me know down in the comments below. Hot Wheels put one out. Don't know if it was in the main line. It was definitely in the premium line a few years ago. I'm not going to say it on every car because I said it on every car in the last one. These have a metal base and everything else is plastic. So, yeah, there's Rocket Raccoon. All right, next up, we're going to take a look at this one. This is Poppy from Trolls. There's also a branch. I ordered it on eBay. It will be here. And I probably will make a video. Here's Branch, the flower car. Pretty cool. My son was into Trolls when he was younger, in preschool. So I have seen the movies. Not really my cup of tea. And I don't really remember the details, but it did happen. I like the colors on this one. Next up, we have the Triceratops. Again, I'm not going to probably say a whole lot about this one. It's cool. And it's interesting to me that they just put the dinosaurs, all of them are just like in a crate, right? So it's just like a crate of dinosaur, which I think is pretty cool and funny. And they have this one positioned like it's trying to get out. If you've seen the original Jurassic Park, there's a memorable Triceratops sequence in that movie. Next up, we have Bo Peep. This is from Toy Story. I should have shown this with my Toy Story video, but I forgot that I had her. So this one's funny to me because she's in a skunk car. I don't remember the relevance. If there is a relevance to that in the movie, please let me know in the comments below. But it's just hilarious that it's a skunk. So this is pretty funny. And it's like a toothpaste cap. Oh, it spins. Oh, it doesn't. It just turns a little bit. It's almost like a toothpaste cap on there. So this one's pretty funny and hilarious, and I might be missing a joke, but if I am, please let me know in the comments below. Next up, we have from Zootopia, Judy Hopps. So this movie is a good movie. I enjoyed it. We just recently saw Zootopia 2, and that one was good as well. If you haven't seen them, I suggest checking them out. This is a pretty cool one. It's, you know, a little cop car, little bunny cop car there for Judy Hopps, the cop in Zootopia. Next up, let's do this one. This is Wonder Woman. I'm saving my 3 favorites for the end, by the way. So if you're bored of me talking, let's fast forward to see what my 3 favorites are. Or don't. Hang out. listen to me ramble and open cars for a while. All right, did I get it? This one's cool. She's in the invisible jet, of course. There's 2 versions of this. There's a 2-pack version and this one. I'm not going to track down the 2-pack version as it comes with Batman, and I do not need another Batman. So this one's like a blue. The other one's more transparent without the blue tint to it. Either way, very cool. I think they probably tinted this one blue because when plastic is transparent, it turns yellow. So if you put a little bit of blue in there, it tends to counteract that. So I think that's probably what they were going for here, but we'll see in like 20 years when that's buried in the lawn somewhere, if it's actually still, you know, not yellow. Next up, we have the Easter Bunny. This one's just hilarious. I think they should have done more. Like, why didn't we get like a Santa Claus or, you know, a leprechaun or any of the other ones? But this one's great. So it's like a broken eggshell on the back, obviously in an Easter basket with the bow and stuff. And then we have eggs, little tiny eggs in the back with the Hot Wheels tag. Just fantastic. That's actually metal. Interesting. So the base is metal and this piece of egg right here is metal. Next up, we have Thanos from Marvel, of course. It's not like a whole lot of villains in this set. I mean, there obviously are some, but Thanos is definitely a villain. This one's cool. Not a lot to say about this one. It's just gold. He snaps his fingers, whatever. I don't know a lot about Thanos. The base is shiny gold, so this one's pretty cool. I like it. It's good to have some villains. Next up, we have Steve, Minecraft. These are really hard to find. So I just got the creeper for a good deal on eBay, like literally confirmed my order right before I started making this video. I sent someone an offer and they accepted it. But as far as finding these go in the stores, I just have not seen them. And I've been looking for these because my son really loves Minecraft, and I just have not been able to find these or the movie ones. So it's going to be an expensive eBay endeavor, I'm sure. I just have to get Creeper and Chicken Jockey, and then the 4 from the movie. Those are a chunk of the ones I'm still missing. He's in a pig. I don't know the significance of the pig. My son built a Minecraft pig out of Legos recently, so I'm not sure. But this one's kind of weird. It's like, I keep saying they're all plastic, but this one is a bulky chunk of plastic, because that's Minecraft. Everything is squares. All right, next up, we're gonna do this one. This is Draculaura from Monster High. I obviously know nothing about Monster High. I have the mainline cars. I think they're kind of a cool vehicle. I always like to get, you know, that sort of thing. We got a rainbow hood there, green windshield. I assume this little girl in here is Draculaura. This one is, yeah, they're all the same. Pretty cool. My wife said I had to get that one for her. There's not very many girls either, right? Like, I think all of the females that exist, except for Sally, are sitting right here. We have Wonder Woman, we have Bo Peep, Draculaura, Judy Hopps, Poppy, and Captain Marvel back there. So this next one breaks all the rules. I said I wasn't going to do the Star Wars ones. I had to have Darth Vader. I saw Darth Vader on sale at Walmart for, I think, $4.50, and it's Darth Vader, man. I just couldn't say no. So he's in a TIE fighter. I'm not a Star Wars fan. I did watch the movies once. It just isn't my thing. And I am kind of a completionist, though, so I wouldn't be surprised if I get some more of these. But as for now, we're leaving it with Darth Vader. He's going to be the wild card. You never know. You never know. Next up, we have Miles Morales. This is the same mold as the Spider-Man and the same mold. I think there's an Iron Spider one. I'm not going to be tracking down the Iron Spider one. I don't feel like I need 5 different Spider-Man molds because there's a Venomized Spider-Man as well, which is on my list. I need to track it down. But I'm probably not going to go after like every single recolor of every single character. That just seems crazy to me. But this one is different enough. You have Miles Morales. He's in the Spider-Mobile, of course, Spider-Man's car, the Spider-Man buggy, whatever it's called. I don't know. My son loves Miles Morales, but he, for some reason, is like not enjoying regular Spider-Man as much anymore. I don't know. But anyways, very cool. And now we're down to my final 3 favorites. So here we go. First up, Venom. This one was kind of hard to find. I got it on eBay. Most of these I found in store, but yeah, some of these I've had to start going on eBay for as they get harder and harder to find. Very cool car. You can see like the Venom face on there, and then there's Venom driving. Very cool. Got the oh boy, I'm losing it. It's the signature tongue sticking out there. I like this one. It kind of looks like they venomized this car is what I think happened. It's very similar. So I think it's like a venomized Spider-Man car with the venom in it. Very cool. Love it. I loved the Tom Hardy movies. Thought those were great. Next up, childhood favorite of mine, Scooby-Doo. I think there's a recolor of this coming out where the bottom is orange. I'll probably pick that one up. Loved Scooby-Doo as a kid. Still like to watch it occasionally. My son likes to fall asleep to it. Still a fun show. Anyways, it's in the Mystery Machine, obviously, with Scooby-Doo. I mean, this is just a great one all around. Not a lot to say about it because it kind of talks for itself. Great, great idea. Last but not least, I know there's a chase of this one. I'm not going to try to chase it down. Marty McFly in the Mystery Machine from Back to the Future. This one's awesome. The DeLorean is classic. I just recently showed all of my Hot Wheels DeLoreans. I have this DeLorean. I have the really big Lego DeLorean. I actually bought 2 of the small Lego ones because, well, let's just sit right here too. One of them had to be not in hover mode, so I had to have 2. And so this one probably is my favorite, the DeLorean with Marty McFly driving it. Just amazing. So anyways, there you have it. Let me know in the comments down below which ones are your favorites. Thanks for watching. Please check out my videos, other videos, and have a great day.